Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We provide simple, clear, and actionable US stock trading insights for everyday investors. Want faster and more precise trade ideas? Visit usaxp.com and register for free. Get automated 1 to 4 week trading analysis, complete strategies with entry, stop loss, and take profit levels, and coverage across US, Hong Kong, and global markets. Welcome back. Is QuantumScape building a sustainable move higher, or is this just a short-term spike? Here is a simple and clear trading plan for the next 1 to 4 weeks. As of April 23rd, QuantumScape closed at 7.41. The short-term outlook leans bullish, but with elevated volatility. Price is trading above both the 20-day and 50-day moving averages. Momentum is positive, and the overall trend supports continuation. However, the stock is also near the upper Bollinger Band, and a very large spike in trading volume suggests that conditions may be unstable in the short term. There are two main ways to approach this setup. The first is a pullback strategy, which is more conservative. Look for entries between 6.60 and 7.05. This approach allows you to scale in gradually, especially as price moves closer to the lower end of the range near the 20-day average. The second is a momentum breakout strategy. This requires a daily close above 7.50, ideally supported by strong volume. That would signal continued upside momentum. Now let's talk about risk management. For pullback entries, a typical stop would be placed around 0.8 below your entry. For example, if entering near 6.95, a stop around 6.14 would be reasonable. For breakout entries, stops are tighter. For example, if entering near 7.55, a stop around 7.01 may be used. As price moves higher, stops can be adjusted upward to lock in gains. For profit targets, we use a structured approach based on volatility. The first target is typically about 1.08 above the entry. The second target is about 2.16 above the entry. For example, an entry near 6.95 would have targets around 8.03 and 9.11. An entry near 7.55 would have targets around 8.63 and 10.17. A common approach is to take partial profits at the first target, then let the rest run. This bullish outlook becomes invalid if the stock closes back below the 50-day moving average, especially with increasing volume. A sustained move below recent support levels could signal a trend reversal. There are several risks to watch closely. Recent trading volume has surged significantly above average, which can lead to sharp and unpredictable price swings. The stock also showed a wide intraday range, indicating strong volatility. If price fails to hold above key moving averages, downside pressure could increase quickly. Overall, QuantumScape has a bullish short-term bias, but the environment is highly volatile. This is not a low-risk setup, and careful execution is important. If you want more structured trade setups like this, check the link in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,